Welcome to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about disconnected operation in a mobile computing environment. A client becomes disconnected with respect to a volume when no server is accessible. An involuntary disconnection can occur in mobile computing environment when there is temporary impediment to a connection. Key requirement of portable computer is the ability to access critical data regardless of location. Constraints of mobile element: resource poor, more prone to loss, destruction and subversion, must operate under a much broader range of networking conditions. Ideally, mobility should be completely transparent to users. CODA file system used in local cache when the network is lost due to any problem in that situation. CODA file system provide the connection from its local cache, that is known as disconnected operation. CODA is a distributed file system developed as a research project under the direction of Mahadev Satyanarayan. It descended directly from the older version of Andrew file system and offers similar other feature. CODA has many features that are desirable for network file system and several features not found elsewhere. It provides disconnected operation for mobile computing. It is freely available under the GPL. High performance through client side persistent caching, server replication, security model for authentication, encryption and access model, continued operation during partial network failure in server network, network bandwidth adaptation, good scalability, well defined semantics of sharing even in the presence of network failure. It is designed to optimize for the access and sharing pattern typical of academic and research environment. CODA use a local cache to provide access to server data when the network connection is lost. During normal operation, a user reads and writes to file system normally while the client fetches or hoards all of the data the user has listed as important in the event of network disconnection. Its design is optimized for the access and sharing pattern typical of academic and research environment. Server replication, volume storage group, accessible VSG, callback based caching, disconnected operation virus services by relying on its cache as it is shown in the diagram. There is integration, then hoarding. From hoarding it goes to HDB, its database, and then disconnection, emulsion is done, client modify log and reconstruction. CODA's client's local cache serve data from this cache and logs to all update. The operating state is called disconnected operation. Upon network reconnection, the client moves to reintegration state. It sends logged updates to the server, then it transitions back to normal connected mode operation. This unique feature introduces the possibility of semantically diverging copies of the same. Implementation status. This is the implementation status in the year of October between 1990 and 1991. Minimal functionality was demonstrated. Then, with progress of time, a more complex version began to be used regularly by members of the CODA group. Then in the year 1992, almost all of the functionality user community has expanded outside the CODA group. Performance tuning and bug fixing. About 30 years, of whom about 20 years use on a regular basis. If there are total 30 users in a system, then 20 users use it on a regular basis. CODA has been developed on Linux and support for it appeared in the 2.1 Linux kernel series. Qualitative evaluation. It is the nature of test bed environment. Voluntarily disconnected operation of mobile user. Involuntary disconnection of desktop user when CODA server crash. Hoarding subsequently improved the usefulness of disconnected operation. Hoard profile, common method of user, HDB interaction, little direct sharing of profile among users. Multi-level hoarding priority. Only a single level of hoard priority in earliest CODA design. An object was either sticky or not, much before time and effort. It reduces the ability of users to hoard effectively. Frequent disconnected misses. Meta expansion reduce the verbosity of hoard profile and simply their maintenance. C. It is the command applies to immediate children. D. The command applies to all descendants plus the command applies to all future. Reference spy program. It records all file references observed by Venus. Periodic hoard walking. It has background equilibrium of the cache, guards a user who forgets to demand a hoard walk before voluntarily disconnecting. Demand hoard walking, foreground cache equilibrium invoked before voluntarily disconnecting. Server emulsion. Server emulsion, high degree of transparency. High degree of transparency attribute to a single client agent supporting both connected and disconnected operations. Goal is the client emulates whatever basic distributed file system is being adapted to support disconnection. The task involved to create file, can either create temporary or permanent file IDs, can hoard the directory structure in order to reduce potential conflicts. Maintain log for session semantics, log only file muting closes. For reply semantics, log all operation. For block by block semantics, log all writes. For application demanded semantics, log only writes which need to be kept in computer. Compress logs by deleting entries upon link overrides, etc. Propagate log upon partial or total reconnection. Propagate log back to server can prioritize updates to propagate. Cache misses experienced no cache miss. Hoarding, most disconnections were voluntary. When disconnected, misses occur. The solution is block processes or switch to another task. Reintegration. Performance. Taken less than a minute to complete, mainly 5 to 20 seconds. Reintegration storm. Server returns a busy message. Break operation logs into independent path. Detected failure. Very rare, however, due to bugs rather than update conflicts. Venus writes out the operation log and related container file to a local file called a closure. Quantitative evaluation. How large a local disk does one need? How noticeable is reintegration? How important are optimization to the log? Methodology, trace reply, all reference to CODA, AFS or local file system. Work in progress. Research is going on for exploiting weak connectivity problem, rapid cache validation, large granularity callbacks, trickle reintegration, log optimization with aging, that is a solution, user assisted mishandling, patience threshold, status walk and data walk. Conclusion. Disconnected operation is the newer concept and central to solving the mobile computing problem. Importance of server replication. None of the shortcomings exposed are fatal. They all point to desirable ways in which the system should evolve. Actively refining the CODA system. Thank you for